Hello everybody. It is 3:36 p.m. December 23rd, 2025. So the day before Christmas Eve. In some locations, others it's December 25th. But yeah, here since the weather is starting to warm up, time for an update. And this time we actually have a view from here. You can see they are nearly finished putting up the exterior, and yes, it's brick, so yeah. So as you can see, it's all windowed, it's all of course they just gotta put everything else in here. You can see I'm gonna ignore that because I am trying to make a video. I'm not trying to capture a car crash anyway. But yeah, so yeah, they're near the top, so they're done with this side. So once they remove it, it's just gonna almost look finished, almost, because you can see they have not fully finished the thing. So all right, now we're just gonna cross over that sidewalk because of course we have a green light. So yeah, as you can see in this famous corner here, they also mostly are done with, but however they only got to second floor. They still got to do this one, and that corner is finished. But yeah, but as you see from the renders, they are going to do the entire side kind of like, so it's going to look like that once finished. So yeah, so far so good, but yeah. All right, let's cross the street and we'll show you the updates. Oh yeah, and that's the cornerstone. Technically not a cornerstone since there is no year, but it feels like one, you know. So yeah, have fun with smoking. Sorry about that, but yeah, here's the side. It just shows up so far. Yeah, there's still some silver plasters, but once it covers with brick, and it looks just fine. There's not much you can see. There's a light inside, because of course they have plastic around the windows. So, inside you can see what looks like a little mini crane, but there's not much else to see because of the glare. But yeah, and just a reminder, this is what the renders looks like. Well, what's gonna be the finished product. So yeah, and also of course, you know, the temporary structures here now, not the other side, which looks like it's been cleared for paving. And so yeah, right now it's reflective, this is the issue, but again, once it's gone, it'll be all right. Now of course here you can see the parking lot better. Again, they have not yet paved it, they just only have the poles. Sorry that glare is bad because this is the only especially since I'm winter break, but still. But as you can see though, building's alright. See the breeze, so like obviously it's all just, there's no plans for like another building here at some, although looks like they may include one if they ever decide to expand, but so far not now, especially now that they have the gym. And I think the people working right now are about to, you know, wrap up for the day, because of course they got to get this finished and open by, you know, by the end of summer of 2026, since they have to leave both the Alba and Pulaski building. But here's the typical view. Right now it doesn't look pretty, but like you see, the gym's already done. This is already resembles what it looks like. So yeah, but once they're done with this, they should resemble that. Like right now, this corner is the only one they've done yet. The rest they have not done. You can see how thick it is. That's like a foot thick, the siding. So yeah, and of course right now they still have that 2 windows not installed, you know, again for temporary structures, but once Yeah, but once they're done, they'll be. And then of course there's the ACs. Someone's trying to get in the cars. So, yeah. And then of course here's the another view of the. And as you can see here, the fencing. Well, it's just yeah, they're not gonna recreate the ramp. So unfortunately, but hey, I guess that helps for the environment. All right, that's all I have to say, and thank you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a great Christmas and a Happy New Year, everybody. Okay, see y'all in 2026. Bye.